Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video. My name is Mrs. Mokili. Let us relate and transcribe these words together. Before the transcription, there is need for us to open up the slashes quickly. And that's what I am doing right now. And don't forget that transcription can actually help to improve our memories. Okay? The first word here is juice. This one is fresh. And this one is drain. This is quench. This one is cold. And this is thirst. This one is fruit. The last one, people. Okay, let me close them up so we can sound them together. Good. Juice, fresh, drink, quench, cold, thirst, fruit, people, juice, fresh, drink, quench, cold, thirst, fruit, people. Thank you so much for clicking and watching my video. The Lord bless you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.